your business. Mind your business. So an extra 40,000, 175,000, or over $500,000, you be the judge of your income, right? Last but not least, we have the Power Play and Super Power Play bonuses. See, once you become fully qualified as a regional director, every 12 new online utility stores sold in your RD code, we're going to pay you $1,000 Power Play bonus. Every 12, no questions asked. Do as many as you like. Every 100 new online utility stores sold in your RD code, you're going to earn a $10,000 Super Power Play bonus. No, actually, it would be 18,000 minimum. Why? Because on your way to 100, you would have did the 12 8 times, right? Well, every 1,000 new online utility stores sold in your RD code, you earn $183,000 minimum, folks. The greatest thing, any of these could be paid daily, weekly, monthly, or annually with no time limits and no earning limits. Do it as much as you want, folks. We're debt free. We're privately owned. You don't have to worry about your income being capped over here. After the 209 promotion ends, the price goes back up to regular price, $440, right? Here's what I would tell you. Look at the commissions here. Why? Because you can double and triple the fast draw bonuses and coded fast draw bonuses, folks. Again, CCM has a very aggressive compensation plan. If there was a better company out there, I would be doing it. I've been in this industry for over 20 years, obviously, so I've seen a lot of companies come and go. Again, if there was a better company out there, I would be doing it. Warren Buffett and Mr. Bill Gates, what did they say? Energy. Energy, not pills, potions, lotions, not a knock to the industry, no disrespect. They said energy, get involved. We provide you with all the comprehensive support to help you build, run, and maintain your CCM business. We provide you with all the online support, all the powerful marketing tools and training, all the comprehensive reports, customized websites to market your business, and much, much more. Folks, look. Talk is cheap. I can show you better than I can tell you. Ask Mr. Adrian Herrera. I helped him become a regional director in 2 weeks. He made well over $2,500 in 2 weeks, ladies and gentlemen. There are 3 types of people out there, ladies and gentlemen. People that make things happen, people that watch things happen, and people that say, what happened? You have to make it happen. So what's your why? Is it to get rid of some car payments? Maybe take vacations with your family? Maybe an additional monthly income? Maybe you want to build your savings or provide, college education for your financial freedom. Maybe you just want to give more to charity. Maybe you want to reduce or eliminate debt. Or maybe it's just you want more time with your family or your retirement, etc. But it's about your why. This is not about me or the person that invited you. This is about you, because at the end of the month, bills are due. The only person that's going to pay them is who? You. But remember what U.S. government statistics indicated, that by age 65, 98% of everybody working a job will be dead broke, or dependent on somebody else to take care of them. Only 2% majority business owners will be financially free. Which will you be? You have a choice. You have a choice. See, the reason why people are poor is because they're passing over opportunity regularly. So are you satisfied with your current financial future? Do you feel like you're working for pennies on the dollars? You're working harder and harder. I mean, you're so broke you can't pay attention. Do you want more out of life? Do you have dreams and goals? Well, it's a choice. Which one are you? A, B, or C? A A person says, hey, listen, I'm all in. When I sign up, I need to get this going as soon as possible. Yeah, I may be a little skeptical, but I'm not going to be skeptical and broke. Yeah, I'm a little scared, but I'm not going to be scared and broke. I don't need anybody's permission. The $209 is not a problem. It's definitely better than the $440 right now, so that's a no-brainer. I'm ready to get going, and I'm ready to get going right now, and I'm not going to listen to broke people. Sign me up. Get back with the person that invited you so we can get that done immediately. Or perhaps you're a B. You like what you see, but you have questions. Great. What questions do you have? Do not ask a negative broke person outside this business opinion, because they can't tell you about this business. Ask someone that's successful, right? Ask someone in this business that's successful. In fact, you can ask me directly. I don't duck or dodge no questions. Or you're a C. You would like to be a customer only. You like the ability to save money without having to become a broker, but your thoughts may change in the future. Great. We love you too. At least you understand the more you save, the more food you can put on the table for your family. We love you too. Be your own boss. Take advantage of free enterprise, ladies and gentlemen. You are more than what you have become. Stop settling for second best. There is more to life than just a job. A job stands for just over broke, better yet, jerked out of bed, or journey of the broke. Something's got to change, and it's got to be you. See, if it's to be, it's up to me. That me meaning you. You deserve more than what you have become. I truly believe that. You are priceless. God's will is for all of us to be prosperous. Stop settling for second best. You don't need a boss. There's no quotas. There's no inventory. There's no set hours. There's no overhead, no territories, no employees, no telemarketing, no experience needed. Why choose CCM? Let me see. It's because nobody sells more commercial than CCM. Need I say more? I think you get the picture. I encourage you, take action now and become a part of CCM today. Why? Because it just makes sense. Thank you for joining us. Get back with the person that invited you. Find out how to get started right now. See, here's the fact, folks. If you continue to do what you've always done, you will get what you've always got. Now, be honest with yourself. Is it good enough? God bless you, and we'll see you on the other side. Get back with the person that invited you.